So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to unblock a merchant on Cash App, block list settings and payment fix. So how to unblock a merchant on Cash App? Open Cash App, tap the profile icon, then go to privacy and security and select blocked contact. Find the merchant you blocked, tap their name and choose unblock. Once unblocked, you can send and receive payment with that merchant again. So methods are unlock a merchant from the block list. Open Cash App, tap your profile icon, top right corner, then go to privacy and security. Tap blocked contact or block list. Find the merchant or user you blocked, tap their name, select unblock. Once unblocked, they can send request, payment and invoices again. Method second is unblock directly from the merchant profile. If you can't find the merchant in search, open Cash App, tap the search icon, type the merchant $cash tag or name. Open their profile, then tap unblock. Fix third is payment after unblocking. If payment still do not work after unblocking the merchant, close the Cash App completely and reopen it to refresh the app. You should also check that your linked bank account or debit card is active and correctly connected in the payment setting. In addition, make sure you are using the latest version of the app by updating the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If the merchant still appear blocked or the payment continues to fail, it may be because the merchant has blocked your account. The merchant account is no longer active or there is a temporary restriction on your Cash App account. In this case, you should contact Cash App support through the app by going on to your profile and selecting the support option for further assistance. Thank you.